Hi, I'm Hadassah with Plytix's product team. If you've got products that come in different colors, sizes, or styles, like a shirt in 5 colors or a lamp with 2 base options, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to manage those variants in Plytix so you never have to copy and paste changes across multiple spreadsheets ever again. Spoiler alert, it's easier than you think, and yes, there's a pro tip in here you won't want to miss. First things first, let's define our terms. What are parents and variants? Think of a parent as the product that holds the framework with all the general information for what you want to sell, like description, tags, brand, categories, just to name a few. In Plytix, parents are always at level 1. Variants are the options that change how the product looks or works. In other words, they're the detailed shopper's pick within that parent framework. Let's say that t-shirt comes in green and yellow. Those are the variants. That's level 2 for us. Now, depending on your product, you may need an additional level for your different option combinations. For example, each color may come in 3 different sizes. The sizes will then be your sub-variants, or level 3. If you already have your product structure set up, there are 2 easy ways to get everything into Plytix. You can import it using a spreadsheet, which is perfect if you want to add many products all at once, or you can build it manually right inside Plytix. You can also create them using our API, but in this video, we'll focus on the first 2 options. Let's start with the import option. For setting up your parent and variant structure, it's really just about having 2 key columns in your spreadsheet. One for the SKU, that's your product's unique identifier, and one called variant of, which tells Plytix how each product is connected. Here's how it works. Start by listing out all your SKUs. In the variant of column, you link each product to the one in the level above it. Following the t-shirt example, if you're working with color variants, each color would link to the parent. Then, if you have size options under each color, those size subvariants will link to their color variant. Once you import your spreadsheet, Plytix will automatically organize everything into the correct levels. If you want to manually create your variants in Plytix, head to the product you want to use as the parent, go to the variant section, and click Add Variant. From there, you can either create a brand new product or link one that already exists in your catalog. Need to add another level? Just go to one of the variants you added and repeat the same steps. Now you have parent, variants, and subvariants all set up in a few clicks. Now that you've got your product structure set up in Plytix, let's talk about making it work for you. When you're managing parents and variants, it's common to have fields that are the same across all of them, like the description, price, or material, for example. Here's a pro tip to save yourself from doing repetitive manual edits, because let's be real, that's what spreadsheets are for, not Plytix. If you haven't already turned on automatic inheritance with product families, now's the time. Product families let you group similar products together, so you only see the fields that matter for that product type. But the real magic, you can choose which fields get shared across your linked products through automatic inheritance, and even where that inheritance starts, whether it's from the main parent at level 1 or from a variant at level 2. So, if your green and yellow t-shirts are all made of cotton, just set that detail once at the right level, and Plytix will automatically pass it down to all the linked products for you. And that's it. Managing product variants doesn't have to be a headache. Not when you're using Plytix. Check out our Help Center for more information or contact our team if you have any questions.